Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram not sending a security code. So first you need to check if the Instagram app is not in the down detector. In your browser, search for down detector and click on the downdetector.com. So here, if it shows Instagram, you need to wait until the Instagram server fixes the problem. But if there is no Instagram here in the list, then move on to the next step. So sometimes Instagram sends the code through 32665 number. Make sure that you have not blocked this number. So in order to unblock the number, go to your phone app and click on the three dots. Go to settings, and at the top you will see block numbers. So here you will see all the numbers you have blocked in your contacts. In order to unblock the number, you can click on the minus symbol to unblock the number. If you didn't find the number in your block list, then check your internet connection. Go to your Wi-Fi and check if your internet connection is stable. If you still don't see the code, then you can always go and check your email. Check the email that is associated with your Instagram. It might have been sent to your spams. Don't forget to check your spam. So if it's still not there, then you might be using VPN or some sort of connection like that. So just go and disable your VPN through your VPN app or your settings. If you are still not getting your Instagram code, then check if you have enabled do not disturb. So this feature will not allow any notifications or any messages sent to your phone. It does not alert you with any notifications that come in your phone. So make sure you have disabled it. If you're still not getting the code, then uninstall your Instagram app and reinstall it to get the code again. These are all the steps you need to follow in order to fix this problem. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.